Are you thinking about signing up for Kajabi? Well, let me show you how to get the best offers available. As a Kajabi partner, I have something special just for you. So if you sign up directly through Kajabi's website, you are only going to get a 14-day free trial. But using my link in the description below, you will get a 30-day free trial. And as a bonus, I'm also giving you access to my full course, Kajabi Jumpstart, which will help you set up and launch your business during those first 30 days. Now, Kajabi has a lot of features and it can feel a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry. My course highlights the key things to focus on so that you can start making money within those first few weeks. I mean, it's just like getting a head start in a race, and who wouldn't want that, right? Think about it. 14 days versus 30 days plus a $300 course. And that's not all. You'll also get my premium Notion templates for free, including the Business Hub to manage your business and the Finance Hub to track your finances. Now, these are valued at over $900, but you are going to get them for free just for using my link. Since it's an affiliate link, I do earn a small commission, but there's no extra cost to you. So thank you for using it. Now, here's how to claim these offers. First, click the link in the description below and it will take you to a special page. You can see the Start Your Trial, and you won't be charged until after the 30-day free trial is over. To choose your plan, scroll down to the Sign Up section. Now, you can start with a Kickstarter plan or upgrade to one of the more advanced options. Just select the plan that you want and the price will update. Now, for me, the Kickstarter plan isn't enough, so I'll pick the basic plan. Now, once you've chosen, you can sign up with your Google account or by entering your name and email, then click Get Started. Next, you'll be taken to the second page to complete your registration. And here, you can choose between paying monthly or yearly. Now, the price you see is for the monthly plan, but if you switch to the annual option, you'll save an extra 20%, and you can even see how much you've saved. Your name and email will already be filled in, so all you have to do is create a password and confirm it, then enter your payment details. Remember, you're signing up for the 30-day free trial, so you won't be charged until the trial period is over. Now, if you hover over this icon, it will confirm this. No charges for the first 30 days, whether you choose monthly or yearly. And if you decide to cancel before the trial period ends, it's super easy to do that as well. Now, once you've entered everything, click Start Free Trial and your new Kajabi account will be created. And here's a dashboard of a new account that I made just a few days ago so that I could show you around a little. Now, because you signed up using my link, Kajabi will email you with the other offers, including my full Kajabi course and the Notion templates. So as a Kajabi partner, I've set this up automatically. So once you sign up, check your email for that message and make sure that you're checking all of your folders. And if you don't see it, feel free to reach out to me and I'll help you out. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next one.